Hi friends, I'm here to take a look at this cold steel SRK. This is one of my favorite just all around camp knives. Over the years they've had various kind of grinds on here. This one has a hollow grind and this is an SK5 steel. It's 3/16 inch thick. It's got a nice swedge up here to allow this to kind of jab into wood a little more easily. The grip is probably my favorite part of this knife, in all honesty. It's just super comfortable. It is textured differently. You have kind of lines going across on the back and front of the handle. You see the nice palm swell here in the middle, and then it's got a nice kind of dimpled texturing on the sides. So I think it's a good all-around size handle. I have pretty big hands, and it's not overly filling, but plenty comfortable. But I think it would work with a variety of hand sizes. It's got a decent lanyard hole and tube back here in the back. This coating obviously does not hold up forever, so just keep your expectations clear on that. It is made in Taiwan. This is just rubberized. There's nothing metal kind of reinforcing that on the guard on the handle there. But I've never had a problem with that with any of these that I've owned or any of the other cold steel knives like this that I've owned. The blade is right at 6 inches overall, and the cutting edge is right at 5 3/4 inches. The handle total is 4.5 inches, and my 4-inch palm fits just fine on this grip. The sheath is nice. They're Securex sheaths. It does kind of pop in there in these little depressions here, which lock in. The thumb ramp is in the right spot for removing the knife, and then it's got a little extra security with the button strap there. You can adjust the height of this strap. If you wanted to carry a little higher on your waist, you can lower it here if you want to, or even drop it further, but that obviously will affect where this loop falls. It's got cutouts here for strapping it to another piece of kit if you want to do that, and lots of other attachment options. The belt loop, you can remove it quickly if you want to. It's Velcro with a button snap to reinforce that so that you're not just depending on the hook and loop to keep it in place. So overall, I think the SRK is and has been for a long time a great outdoors knife option.